bordering around the law. So we felt it is appropriate that somebody who is qualified to do the same must appear. So as Parliament, we summoned her and the rest of the team members who are here, including the procurement manager, because it revolves around procurement. So be at peace. Your Parliament, which you belong to, summoned. Thank you so much, Mulanje's Southeast. Other members, I saw Chilazulu, Nyungwe, Zomba North, Zomba City North. And the last one, I see there's Lilongwe East and our senior Katape Central. In that order, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Chair. First of all, let me start by appreciating the elaborate presentation and the bravery that the ladies have shown today. Rest assured that the people of Chilazo and Nyongwe are behind you, and if you need security, we got you. Chair, first, before we, as we're anticipating to meet the new board, I'd like to know, there was a mention of 2 people who were nominated by the OPC, but I think for them to be licensed, there was some sort of force or pressure for them to join the new board. Is it possible that the ladies kindly provide the names of those 2 board members? And secondly, throughout the days that we've been here, we've been hearing a lot about use of this, use of investments that. These guys even came as far as forcing themselves or forcing the fund to sell